Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake IMX token. For that, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for imx.community. This will land you on the official website of IMX. Now over here, you are going to see this staking option. So you need to click on staking and then you will be redirected on this staking page. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. For that, you will have to click on this connect wallet button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And after that, among the given options, you will have to select your MetaMask wallet. For that, you need to press the next button. And after that, you need to press connect in the top. This way, you will be able to easily connect your MetaMask wallet with IMX. Now, once you have IMX token in your MetaMask account, you can start the staking process. For that, you will have to enter the amount of IMX coins that you want to stake. After that, you can even use this slider to keep it as 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. After that, you just have to click on this stake button and then you just have to confirm your staking on the next page. This way, you will be able to easily stake your IMX token. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.